We interrupt your regular programming to bring you this emergency message. Important instructions will follow. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the United States Government, SCP Foundation, and Central Intelligence Agency. An entity known as SCP-096 has breached containment and is currently running directly to the Apache County. SCP stands for Secure, Contain, Protect. At this time, please carry out the following instructions. Barricade yourself in a room. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Blindfold yourself. And stay calm. All citizens of any county in Arizona are required to stay indoors and carry out the instructions previously given. Please wait for an MTF squad to extract you to a safer location. Stay tuned to this station for updates on this situation. The emergency alert system has been activated.